Hey friends, welcome back to a new vlog of Trip Dude. Let us do kayaking in this video, which was conducted as part of Kayak Fest in Thrithala. Before heading to the activity location, we stopped near Velliyamkallu bridge to have sarbat. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please do subscribe and click on bell for more travel videos. From the bridge, you can take the small road on the right side to reach the kayaking spot. This kayaking fest is conducted by departments of Kerala government for few days. This was done as an experimental activity, but I hope government will have plans to make it regular one. They had created a separate pond-like structure which is made for children. Many varieties of kayaking boats are available here. It costs 100 rupees per person for 15 minutes ride. They have all possible safety measures and there are fire and safety officers available. The staffs were very friendly. They gave us instructions and safety measures. People usually visit this area of Velliyamkallu bridge for taking bath, fishing and for an evening visit. And on the other side of the bridge, we have the famous Velliyamkallu Heritage Park. ഇതെന്താണ് ഈ കൊടി എന്താണ് It was very fun and thrilling activity. We did kayaking for 3 times. ഇനി തുഴയും. This is the kids kayaking area. A safety staff will also accompany the kids. Thanks to all the officials and departments for organizing this activity. Looking forward to see such activities more often in Kerala. Share your thoughts about the video in the comment section. If you enjoyed the video, please do like, share, subscribe and click on bell. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.